Hello sir, hello ma'am. We are from CleanSense AutoSan and I would like to present our product Smart Odor-Activated Toilet Cleaning. In India, public toilets and train toilets often suffer from a strong foul odor. Cleaning is mostly manual and happens only at fixed times. Because of this, bad smell spread quickly, hygiene drops and people avoid using these facilities.
To solve this problem, we built CleanSense AutoSan, a smart odor cleaning system. Instead of cleaning on a fixed schedule, our system reacts instantly when a bad odor is detected.
CleanSense AutoSan uses gas sensor to continuously monitor odor levels. When the odor crosses a set limit, the controller automatically activates a disinfectant water spray and a ventilation fan. This removes the bad smell within seconds and restores freshness without any human involvement. This system can be used in trains, toilets, public toilets, schools, colleges, hospitals and other high traffic public places. It can also be added to existing toilets as low retrofit solutions.
CleanSense AutoSan reduce manpower, disinfect, save water and improve public hygiene and dignity. Our vision is to make public toilet in India cleaner, smarter and self-maintained. Thank you.
Thank you.